Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the Select tool and the Direct Selection tool. So let's get started. Let's start with the Selection tool. This is the black arrow at the top of the toolbar and its shortcut is letter V. The Selection tool selects the entire object. When you click, the whole shape becomes active. You can click and drag it like that. You can also resize it by dragging the corners of the shape, and you can rotate it by moving your cursor near the corners and dragging it like that, something like that. So what you need to remember is that the selection tool works on the whole entire object. So that is it about the selection tool. Let's go to the direct selection tool. The direct selection tool is that white arrow next to the selection tool, and its shortcut is letter A. Unlike the selection tool, this one selects parts of an object. When you click on a shape with the direct selection tool, you can select and adjust your shape using the anchor points on the edges of your shape, like you see me do. So the direct selection tool is usually perfect for reshaping and fine adjustments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on other videos. Bye!